Welcome to a special edition of Vegas Unveiled. I was once asked this question: what can you do in Vegas if you are not a gambler? Today, I'm peeling back the layers of Vegas, revealing a side beyond the strip, casino chips, and smoke-filled rooms. Whether you're a non-smoker or not just into gambling, this episode is tailor-made for you. Before we dive into the excitement, let's appreciate the history that shaped Las Vegas. Born as a mere railroad town in the early 20th century, it is transformed into the entertainment capital we know today. But beyond the neon lights, there's a wealth of experiences waiting to be uncovered. Our first stop takes us back into the iconic Hoover Dam, a marvel of engineering that stands proudly on the border of Nevada and Arizona. Built during the Great Depression, it not only tamed the mighty Colorado River, but also provided electricity to the growing city of Las Vegas. You see, Las Vegas is beyond the tables and slot machines. It is a city of diverse experience, from the historic marvel of the Hoover Dam. But remember to look beyond the obvious and keep embracing the unexpected. So, until our next adventure, keep exploring the unexpected and embracing the magic of traveling. See you in the next episode.